Saudi Aramco, HSE, written question. Question: heat stress program requires A. Sunshade, B. Cool water, C. Training, D. Written procedures, E. All of the above. F. A, B, C, only. Question: spray painting requires A. A good spray, B. No wind, C. A correct air purifying respirator, D. Work only in the spray painting shop. Question: a crane is working near a 2-meter deep excavation. Minimum distance from the edge shall be A. 1 meter, B. 2 meters, C. 3 meters, D. None of the above. Question: mobile scaffolds shall have a maximum height of A. 3 times its smallest base width, B. 3 times its biggest base width, C. 4 times its smallest base width, D. 4 times its biggest base width, E. None of the above. Question: when grinding a piece of metal with a portable power grinder, the personal protective equipment required is A. Safety glasses only, B. Goggles only, C. Face shield only, D. Safety glasses and face shield combination. Question: what should you do when driving a vehicle in Saudi Aramco premises? A. Have a 360-degree inspection of the vehicle before operating. B. Possess a valid Saudi Arabian government license. C. You must wear seat belt and the passengers while vehicle in motion. D. All of the above. Question: flammable materials storage areas cannot be located within of other buildings or structures. A. 25 feet, B. 50 feet, C. 50 meters, D. 100 feet. Question: what is the minimum safe distance from overhead power line having a line voltage of up to 50,000 kV? A. 4.6 meters, B. 3.1 meters, C. 6.1 meters, D. 7.6 meters. Question: a straight or extension ladder must extend over the edge of a roof, excavation, or scaffold platform by a minimum distance of A. 1 foot, B. 4 feet, C. 1 meter, D. No set distance. Question: the Saudi Aramco General Instruction which sets forth the work permit receiver's requirements is A. GI 1.200, B. GI 5.430, C. GI 2.100, D. GI 6.200. Question: if someone is injured on your job site, a preliminary investigation report must be submitted to the Saudi Aramco PMT within period of time A. 2 hours, B. 24 hours, C. 8 hours, D. 3 days. Question: which of the following needs an excavation plan? A. 1.2 m deep excavation which is considered a confined space. B. 6.1 m deep excavation for an RTR pipe for sewage water. C. 2.4 m deep excavation with a Type A soil classification. D. None of the above. Question: excavation spoils must be set back a minimum of from the edge of the excavation. A. 1 meter. B. 6 feet. C. 3 feet. D. 2 feet. Question: the maximum working pressure on an acetylene gauge is sig. A. 7. B. 10. C. 15. D. 19.50. Question: which of the following general instructions, G.I, and rigor testing and certification? A. GI 7.026. B. GI 7.025. C. GI 6.030. D. GI 7.028. E. None of the above. Question: which of the following would be classified as a Class A fire? A. A fire involving ordinary combustibles. B. A fire involving flammable liquids. C. A fire involving combustible metals. D. A fire involving live electrical equipment. Question: the soil type that is least stable in an excavation is A. Type A. B. Type B. C. Type C. D. None of the above. Question: what is necessary for a worker to wear on a steel beam 6 feet or more above ground? A. A steel belt with steel or brass couplings. B. A full body harness with lanyard attached to a proper anchorage point. C. He must never go on a steel beam. D. None of the above. Question: when there are openings in roof work and or at edges of roofs, and a fall hazard exists, barricades must be installed capable of withstanding a force of A. 100 pounds, 45.4 kilograms. B. 150 pounds, 68 kilograms. C. 200 pounds, 91 kilograms. D. 125 pounds, 56.7 kilograms. Question: which of the following factors does not affect the load capacity of a mobile crane? A. Boom length. B. Boom angle. C. Extending the outriggers fully. D. Installation of a anti-tube block device. Question: upon hearing an emergency alarm, what must personnel do? A. Inform other people in the area by shouting. B. Run outside in a clear open space. C. Evacuate calmly to a predetermined area. D. None of the above. Question: which standard of the American National Standard Institute, ANSI, must a hard hat meet? A. Z87.1. B. Z359.1. C. Z89.1. D. None of the above. Question: how long is the normal validity of a work permit? A. 1 month. B. 1 week. C. 1 shift. D. 1 day. Question: how far apart, maximum, shall an access and egress ladders be in excavations? A. 10 feet. B. 75 feet. C. 50 feet. D. 25 feet. Question: which of the following best describes confined space? A. It is not intended for human occupancy. B. Has limited access and egress. C. So configured that a bodily work can only be performed. D. All of the above. Question: a small mobile crane with rubber tires has struck a power line. The line, which is now believed to be dead, is lying across the crane boom. Which of the following best describes the proper course of action for the crane operator? A. Jump from the crane and run away. B. Stay in the crane until emergency crews arrive. C. Have the oiler knock the line from the boom with a wood pole. D. Swing the boom back and forth until the line breaks or falls off. Question: the following describes a Class B fire except A. Diesel, petroleum, methane. B. Liquefied petroleum gas. C. Cooking oil, olive oil, coconut oil. D. Propane, butane. Question: compressed gas cylinders must not be stored at locations where it can exceed to A. 45 degrees Celsius. B. 53 degrees Celsius. C. 54 degrees Celsius. D. 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Question: minimum period of time the appointed fire watch remains at the site of hot work after the activity has stopped. A. 10 minutes. B. 15 minutes. C. 30 minutes. D. 60 minutes. Question: one purpose of the anti-2 block device on cranes is A. To determine the weight of the load being lifted. B. To prevent cribbing blocks from contacting outrigger floats. C. To determine the length of the wire rope that has been extended. D. To prevent the overhaul ball from contacting the boom sheaves. Question: what does MSDS means? A. Material Safety Day Shift. B. Material Specification Data Sheet. C. Material Safety Data Sheet. D. None of the above. Question: it is a colorless, flammable and toxic gas. A. Carbon monoxide. B. Hydrogen dioxide. C. Methane. D. Hydrogen sulfide. Question: what is required when lifting 3 meters around or adjacent to process piping? A. Critical lifting plan. B. Hot work permit. C. Rigger 1. D. Crane and lifting tackle inspection. E. All of the above. Question: what is used to control suspended loads? A. Slings. B. Guys. C. Tag lines. D. Shackles. E. All of the above. Question: anchorage point requires A. Capability to support at least 5,000 pounds per person attached. B. Capability to support at least 2,268 kilograms per person attached. C. Be free of sharp edges. D. All of the above. Question: the use of sand for abrasive blasting is prohibited in Saudi Aramco facilities. A. Aluminum oxide grit. B. Garnet. C. Silica. D. Fruit kernels. Question: what is the permissible noise exposure level for an 8-hour work shift? A. 80 decibels. B. 85 decibels. C. 100 decibels. D. 120 decibels. Question: What comprises a LOTO procedure? A. The use of lockout device. B. The use of tagout device. C. LOTO written procedure. D. All of the above. Question. LOTO is implemented to prevent people from A. Being thrown in jail. B. Leaving until the work is completed. C. Being injured in case of accidental startup. D. Sleeping. Question. Special personal protection equipment for cutting, welding and brazing. A. Gumboots, rubber gloves, face shield. B. Leather gloves, leather body protection and protective lenses. C. Self-containing breathing apparatus. D. None of the above. Question. What is needed for a moving part of a machine? A. Security guard. B. Safety guard. C. Machine guard. D. No guard. Question. What does PWS stands for? A. Proximity Work Alert System. B. Proximity Warning Alarm System. C. Proximity Warning Alert System. D. None of the above. Question. What is the oxygen safe level as per the latest G? I 2.100. A. 19.5% to 23.5%. B. 20% to 23.5%. C. 20% to 23%. D. 20.5% to 23.5%. Question. Which of the following statement describes best rigger 2 certification category? A. Can rig up to 5 tons. B. Can rig up to 10 tons except those that require a rigger 1. C. Can rig up to 40 tons. D. Can rig all loads. Question. Which of the following model of industrial scientific is a Saudi Aramco approved gas monitoring device? A. MX4. B. MX5. C. MX6. D. A and B only. Question. Sleeping quarters with allocated floor space must have not less than for each resident, A. 4.3 square m. B. 4.6 square m. C. 3.4 square m. D. All of the above. Question. Which is not a critical lift? A. Tandem lifting. B. Nighttime lifting. C. Rubber lift. D. All of the above. E. A and B only. Question. Crane operation is suspended in wind speed greater than A. 23 km per hour. B. 43 km per hour. C. 32 km per hour. D. None of the above. Question. Which is the best safety device for all 110V and 220V portable electrical power tools? A. Earth leak circuit breaker. B. Residual current device. C. Ground fault circuit interrupter. D. All of the above. Question. What are the composition of a guardrail system? A. Riser, thread and stair rail. B. Top rail, mid rail and toe boards. C. Planks, tubes and coupler. D. Nodes, kicker lift and braces.